This is a review on the Phantom XL Viking saddlebags. I installed them on my 2005 Vulcan 2000. I'm going to start with the installation. The installation is just two brackets. Instructions come in the box. All I did was put the bike in a stand, bike stand, put a mechanic seat that went up and down on the bottom here, and then I put a level on the reflector, and it gave me that level straight line. And then I marked the back where I wanted. It had some bolts that went out on each side, and then marked them, drilled them, did the drilling on the bottom, lined them with the lower bracket that goes inside, and then I grabbed the other bag, put them together side by side, marked it once I did my holes on one bag, and came out perfectly the same on both sides. This back reflector doesn't come with it. I installed those myself. Love the quality of the bags. They're hard, wrapped in leather. I love the pockets. So there's, once you open it, love this, that is rear opener, so it opens from the back. So when you park, instead of opening to the side, or you just come behind your bike and open them up, and you clear from being between bikes or anything. I love the pockets. Storage, 3 compartments. And it has a light, so you can light it up at night. I love the clearance that it has on the top, so you can pack it and go for a long ride. I also love the fact that it's streamlined with my back fairing. You can see the line. It's perfect. I love the clearance that it does on the lower, so they don't come down low. I don't like that. I like to lean hard on the turns and enjoy my ride, and I have to worry about scratching or denting. So I love the height. The passenger in the back clears perfectly, and doesn't even, the legs don't touch the bags. So yeah, I love the quality of them. Goes really good with the bike. Design, very thoughtful engineering from Viking on the Phantom XL saddlebags. Yeah, this is my Vulcan 2000.